So here we go on our adventure. Today, we're gonna go down to the creek, check out the rocks over there. Today, it's pretty muddy right here. Still a beautiful day. They love running up there. She's off into the forest. Let's check out this creek. There's a boy. This is a baby boy. You might have seen in one of my other videos, that was Fat Boy. Yeah. Anyways, check out these rocks. There could be a chance that I find some gold right now. And if I do, I don't know, besties. I'm gonna have to do something with it. Didn't know, think about it. Look at that. It's like a little waterfall in there. See that? I don't care, it's a waterfall. Okay? Anyways. Oh, I missed it. He jumped pretty big. What are you doing? You having fun? Of course they do. They love it down here. Yeah, that's granite right there. Beautiful. Yeah, granite's beautiful. I'm gonna show you guys and gals some granite right now. Some special granite. But check this out. Look, there could be gold in here too. You never know. This is some quartz. Looks like some oxidation all up in there. You'd have to crush it, like a lot of it, and then you could get like little pieces. Let's see, there is a lot everywhere. It's all quartz. Sometimes I find some clear quartz. There's some interesting quartz. Let me see. Oh, look at this, looking like a meteorite. Hey, it's pretty heavy. No, definitely not a meteorite. I'm thinking. Nah. It'd be a lot heavier than it. I'm all. No, it's not. It's not. Trust me. I've thought a lot of rocks were a meteorite, especially when I first started rock hounding. I was like, it's a meteorite. Dude, these ones are cool. They kind of glimmer. I might take this. This is nice. A little pattern. It's kind of cool. Let's see what else we have here. I don't have my boots on for going all up in the water. I don't want to mess with it too much. Look at that. There's baby girl. Alright, I'm going to take you guys somewhere. It's a secret. Follow me. It's a secret. Whoa, that's kind of weird, huh? Alright. It just reminded me of that. A meme. We're going to go over there real quick. 1 second. Okay, so look at these rocks. Looks like scoop marks from the Egyptians. They obviously were here. Someone was here. Look at that one. Look at this one. I may not be far off, ladies and gentlemen. And I'll tell you why right now. Okay. I wanted to show you this right here. There's Nala. See this piece of granite? See this hole right here? This looks like maybe, well, I know that the Maidu tribe, the ancient Maidus, were all in this area. And this shallow one right here might have been for like traditional stuff, like, or ceremonies, things like that. Now, if you walk up this way, there's something even more spectacular. You're gonna want to stay for this. Okay, just a sec. So, I hope everyone's doing great today, yesterday, tomorrow. But we're here already. Okay, not far from that rock is this rock. They're doing some yard work. Okay, so this right here, this is where the ancient Maidu used to grind acorns. This is an ancient Maidu kitchen. And this is a madrone tree. Yeah, I believe it's a madrone. They used to like chew on the berries and all sorts of stuff. They used it for they made them into a cider. They often made the bark into a tea used for medicinal purposes. So that's an interesting note right there. So yeah, little ancient spot right here. American ancient spot. I don't know why I did that. So let's look at this bark. This bark's cool. Look at that. And the forest is right there. It's everywhere.